What is up, everyone? Welcome to September haul video. This is showcasing everything that I have found for the month of September. Yes. So real quick, let's go into the singles. These the basics, and let's start with the Matchbox. Yeah, we got a cargo convoy in green. We have it in blue already. Thought this was pretty cool color, green. There you go. Let's go with the next Matchbox. Got this snow thrasher. Got it more for the kids. Thought it was pretty cool, pretty hefty, like, you know, big. So there it is. And this other one also for the kids, SWAT MBX SWAT. Very cool. I thought it was cool, so I was like, I'll take it for my kids, for the nephews. Let's go with this one. Here is a 72 Ford Ranchero. Very cool. I think I already have that one. And we got over here from Target. Haven't found any other good ones from this list other than that one that I really like. Yeah, so if I find any of the other ones, probably I'll see which ones I'll take. But as of right now, this one was the one that I thought it was pretty cool with the flames and everything. This is a 55 Corvette. Thinking about opening it up and gifting it to my dad, so that's pretty cool. We got over here a street creeper, and for some reason it's opened. I think my son opened it and he put it back, so yeah, there's street creeper, not a super. And we got two of these Hot Wheels race team. First we got a Mustang, a funny car. Thought this was very awesome, very cool. You know, there you go. It has a better very cool tempos, you know, Hot Wheels in the front and the side, big. I got that one. And then here is another Hot Wheels race team, a Corvette Grand Sport. This one was very cool. Chrome bottom, the wheels look awesome. There you go. And then we got these premium ones. We got over there. Let's keep going with the Hot Wheels. I got this one from my son. He loves Toy Story, so here is the alien car. I really couldn't say no to him at that time, so we bought it. We got it. You know, here is one gifted from my dad, a Auto World. He said that they were on special. This is a 69 Mercury Cougar. We already have this one. Yeah, I think so. He got it cheaper than what I got it, and I already had it on special. I already got it on special. So, you know, when there's a sale going on, you know, you take advantage of that. And here is from Greenlight, Series 2, Serie 2, Heritage Racing. And this is a 1968 Ford Mustang. I thought this particular casting was very beautiful. That blue and that brown go very well with each other. So thought that was cool. I'm gonna crack this one open later when I have more time on my hands. So those are the three premiums. So at the end of the month of September, me and my wife went to Walmart and we like going to the clearance section, and we found this at $7.10. It was already open, and I think that they replaced some of the cars. This one's upside down, so you can take a quick look at them. Can't really tell some of them what they are. Check that out right there. I'm not too sure if this is a Ford right there. That one, that's very cool. I think that's a McLaren. I think so. And I can't tell which one that one is, but it looks like one of those concept cars. We know which one this one is. We've seen it before. That's why I also kind of got it. And here is also I think it's a Porsche. I'm not too sure if it's a Porsche, but it looks pretty cool. You got right there that one. I also wanted to get that one, but I wasn't, I never got it. I never picked it up. And that one right there, I don't think this one's a exclusive one, but it looks cool. It looks like a Datsun. But yeah, we'll check it out later. Another time when I have more time, we'll be checking that one out. Opening them up to see what models they are in reality. So that's the haul for September. Not much, really wasn't that much. I didn't get to hunt that much, but there it is. Small, but good. All right, hope everyone has a good day. Good luck hunting, and have a good one. Peace.